If you want to edit a photo on a CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we need to open the gallery. Next we want to open the photo that we wish to edit, and then over here in the bottom right corner we have this pen icon that we can tap on in order to start editing our photo. Over here we have some suggestions like enhance, warm, cool, and so on. We have cropping tools where we can, for example, mirror our photo, we can rotate it, and so on and so forth. We have a tool, actually, it is called tools, but we have just one tool, and that is the magic eraser that is used to remove objects from a photo. We also have some parameters that we can use in order to adjust our photo, such as the brightness, contrast, white point, and so on and so forth. We can also go to filters in order to find some of the filters that we can apply on our photo. And we have markup tools such as pen, highlighter, and text. Once you edit your photo, you should be able to press save copy over here in the bottom right corner. Besides that, you can also easily crop the photo by using these dots that we have in the corners, in all of 4 corners. And there we go. Then we can press save copy like I mentioned. And of course the original photo should be kept, I believe. Yeah, there we go. Here is still the original one, and there is the one that we just saved. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!